Apache Airflow Bootcamp, Hands-on Workflow Automation. I am excited to announce the launch of my new Udemy course, Apache Airflow Bootcamp, Hands-on Workflow Automation. This comprehensive course is designed to help you master the fundamentals and advanced concepts of Apache Airflow through practical, hands-on exercises. We'll cover everything from installation to advanced features, and you'll get hands-on experience through practical examples and real-world projects. What's included in the course? Introduction to Airflow configuration and installation, Airflow web UI views, understanding DAGs, Airflow CLI and cheat sheet. Tasks in Airflow, operators in Airflow, sensors in Airflow, branching DAG dependencies and task groups, hooks in Airflow. Resource management in Airflow, executors in Airflow, Airflow metadata database, different roles in Airflow, SLA, service level agreement, advanced concepts and more. So, whether you're looking to advance your career, work on more efficient data pipelines, or just curious about Airflow, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and start creating some amazing workflows together.